YouTube, it's me, Pt2, and today it is part 2 of the nutritious meal for your parakeet or budgie. My iPad actually ran out of memory to fit the rest of the video in, so I guess I will expand on part 2. So that's the little meal we made for them. It's got, please check out that video if you have not already. It's made of carrots, broccoli, some celery, or not celery, sorry, lettuce, strawberries, and I chopped up an apple really fine right now for this video, and there's just the apple slice. And my cameraman had to leave, so sorry about the bad quality and the bouncing around and my hand covering the camera. This is more of a treat for your parakeet, so don't feed them this every day. So I've got some strawberries cut up, some apples really fine, and so I've got this seed. It's just basic bird food seed. It has no dyes or artificial flavors, so make sure to stay away from that. So this is more of a treat, as I said. So you want to take your strawberry slice, and if I can find it because I'm using one hand, and stick it and roll it around, whatever for your parakeet. Sorry, my hand's in the way. And it's all covered in seed. Stick that right on top. Covered in seed. And this is a really good way for your parakeet or budgie if you're introducing this to them, then they peck off the seeds because that's their normal food, and then find the nice treat under the surprise. So it's enough of those. Now grab some apples. The apples, they don't stick as much. The seeds don't stick quite as much, but they're still pretty good. So that's pretty much it. And if you have not seen the part 1 to this video, please check that out. I will be putting it in the description, the link to it. So that's it, and that's me, Pt2 signing off. If you have any questions, please ask. Please ask in the comments. I'm open to any questions or comments. Please rate this video, and it's me, Pt2 signing off. Thanks.